Hi there. I'm currently looking for a developer who can fix a problem on my WordPress website. So scenicgems.com/demo. This page on my website has a map, and it's powered by Leaflet, which is a JavaScript map. I'll get to that in a second. The issue that my developer cannot solve is basically zooming in and zooming out on a Mac laptop. So basically using a trackpad, I am on a Mac at the moment, using a trackpad to pinch zoom in out and scroll zoom in out. So at the moment I'm getting my two fingers and scrolling up and down, and nothing is happening on the map. If I am to pinch zoom, currently the pinch zoom does work. But once I have pinch zoomed, panning is no longer working. I'm basically trying to drag at the moment. If I go to leafletjs.com, this map here, this map is fully functioning on a Mac laptop, so I can scroll zoom in and out with my two fingers, and I can pinch zoom in and out with my two fingers as well, and then I can also pan. So I'm looking for a developer who can basically scroll and pinch zoom this map here and see the effect on a Mac machine. So just to finish off, so this map that I've got on my website, the plugin is heavily modified. It's a heavily modified version of a plugin called MapPress. So this is the page, and there's the shortcode for it, MapPress. And if I went over to the menu, MapPress here, so this is the plugin here. I mean, it's also got the map in here, or a generic version of it, I should say. But the one that's actually being modified and used on the front end of the website here has the issues that I mentioned. So that's essentially it. Please let me know if this is something that you think you can do, and we'll go from there. Cheers.